Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making an infused hair tonic using avocado seed, cloves, and cinnamon. Avocado seed contains natural plant compounds, antioxidants, and nutrients that may help support scalp health. And honestly, hair growth almost always comes down to one thing: the scalp. When your scalp is balanced and healthy hair trends to grow stronger. The antioxidants in cloves may help prevent hair loss and premature graying and improve hair strength and thickness by protecting against oxidative stress. Eugenol and other compounds may also boost scalp circulation, promoting hair growth. Cinnamon is rich in vitamin C, zinc, iron, copper, potassium, fatty acids, and other types of beneficial nutritional components for hair. Apply your hair after your shampoo. Do not rinse for best results.